Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week and the last trading day of the month. Let me share with you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into this system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to the three major currency pair: pound dollar, EURUSD and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour chart today, when the market opened in 4 hour, if you look at, we have one pullback short trade once the market broken this previous low, and afterwards once the price developed false breakout, we have taken a long trade here and banked beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday. If you look at the intraday, and if you look at, let me make it okay, so once the market opened, this was the gap, as you can see here, big gap. And as always, we are looking after the pullback, and price nicely developed pullback based on the analysis. We had a beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price broken the previous high, explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit and let's wait for the price action. And afterwards, as you can see here, the price broken all the support resistance level. And as always, after the breakout, we are looking pullback at this level. You can see here, price broken the previous high. As you can see here, this is the level in intraday system. Price broken, as you can see here, after the breakout, pullback. So I explained to me, as long as the price stay above this level and the blue fib channel, we are looking a long trade here. So we have a pullback. Once the price develop triple bottom here, that give us the confirmation to look for long here. And based on the 4 hour, as you can see here, price develop false breakout, beautiful long trade here. Also added another scaling trade as soon as the price broke on the previous high. Beautiful trade here. And at the New York session, once the price break, and as you can see here, previously we have taken this long trade, bank beautiful pips. As always, after this breakout, looking for another pullback at this level, exactly as mentioned on the analysis. Price develop another pullback, safest trade as explained to my trader, look for this wedge breakout. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit and look for another price action and technically another pullback. As you can see here in the previous analysis, we have taken this long trade here. Afterwards, pullback at this level, which price nicely developed, which technically we came out at the break even, the last trade. But as you can see here, how we analyze market in 4 hour and refine entries and exit and entry on intraday and bank some profit. So technically what we're looking here, we are looking here price action. Technically, if the price is going to reverse, so we are going to see the price action at this level. So there's the opportunity and all these things. If the price develop a pullback, then we're looking a short trade here. And if the price develop a false breakout, price break about this level and retest, give us the confirmation, then we're looking a long trade here. We'll keep you updated tomorrow. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader, and we always look in high time frame and refine entries and exit in intraday and trade accordingly. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar chart, if you look at the 4 hour, we had this gap, small gap, and as soon as the price develop a false breakout, as mentioned here previously, price, this is the basically this is the weekly support line. Price developed this false breakout and we were long trade here, bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday. If you look at the intraday analysis, and that's what I explained to my trader once the market was at this level in 4 hour, and that's what I explained to my trader in intraday, that we are looking here. If you look at the structure, we explained to my trader, that's what happened. So price broken this previous high, so we're expecting another pullback. And if the price gonna break, then short trade here. And if the price gonna develop pullback, so another scaling trade here if the price gonna break the previous high. That's what happened exactly as you can see here. This is the level which is I explained here. As you can see here, price broken and price develop. Once the price develop a double bottom here, that's the confirmation, long trade here. And there's another one scaling trade as mentioned on the analysis. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, blue fib channel, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. We have an amazing trade on pound dollar, and after once the bank some profit, look for another one. So we can see here we have another correction. As you can see here, the price nicely respected here, but the safest way to look for this wedge breakout and after the breakout, price retest, give us the confirmation, another long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the Bollinger Band, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see, guys, we had amazing traders in pound dollar. The best trade we had that was the dollar CAD today. That was the best trade of the day today. If you look at the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, we had a very small long trade here, but once we see this rejection at this level, explain to my trader, if the price is going to fail to maintain above this level, we have this bearish engulfing candle, nice rejection. We have 2 rejections here, and after that, explain to my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks, and right now the price broke on this one, and let's see here, if we see the price come back and retest, give us the confirmation, then probably going to be keep taking a pullbacks here. Otherwise, if the price develop a false breakout, then long here. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you guys how I analyze today in intraday and help my traders to bank amazing profit. If you look at the intraday analysis, as I said to you guys, this morning we had this small pullback long trade here. Once the price developed rejection in 4-hour, as you can see here in 4-hour at this level, price developed symmetry triangle pattern. I explained to my trader, if the price gonna break this, we will be looking at technically this is symmetry triangle pattern. And if you look at the intraday analysis and in detail, and if you look at here, the price broken, after the breakout, price retest, that's the sign. And if you look at here, another pullback, we state to trader that we have a major rejection, so just keep taking pullback. So we had a beautiful pullback short trade here. Even in the New York session, once we bank some profit, explain to my trader, if the price gonna break this previous low, we keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, price nicely broken previous low, after the breakout, price retest, and we have another beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit to the support level, major in 200 EMA and 4-hour, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. All right, guys, as you have seen that how we analyze market in 4-hour in live, or how we analyze market intraday in intraday system live, and help traders to bank amazing profit every single day. All right, guys, I hope you're enjoying it, and if you really want to enjoy in real time and banking profit in real time, or even if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time, and you can bank profit in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. Most of my traders bank amazing profit every single day. Let me share with you this let me share a little bit back here. You can see here, guys, this is 180 pips. Let me make it slightly bigger. You can see here, all of them pull back. Look at this pound dollar. If you look at this one, beautiful pullback, all pullback trades here, guys. So you can bank all these pips every single day. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you would like to join my fast growing trader community, most welcome. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.